Calm down.
Bet my apprentice is a better blacksmith than you. What do you say?
How would a bet like that work?
You'll give me a few Groshin as a deposit and forge a hunting sword. Matthias is just working on one now. And if you forge a better one, you'll get both swords and I'll give you back twice as many Groshin.
And of course, you'll be the judge, right?
Well, of course. But I'll decide fairly, don't you worry.
And what if my sword isn't better?
Then you lose and I keep the Groshin. What else? Am I supposed to stick them up my arse? Do you take the bet or not?
Sure.
I accept. I'll knock you down a peg and make some money.
You haven't won.
So I gotta forge a hunting sword. Okay.
Good dog. Good boy.
Good day.
Almost there.